A sample for you.
Yum, 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 yum. Actually, that was pretty good. What's that nutty flavor?
That would be all the peanuts.
Peanuts?
Oh my gosh!
I'm coming! Hey. Hey, are you okay?
Thank you so much. You saved our little baby. How did you know what to do?
Oh, my little brother has allergies too, so I always carry a shot around, just in case.
Hey, thanks for the ride, Lucy.
Oh, of course. Hey, what are you guys doing for dinner? Well, there's this new restaurant on 45th and Spruce. Here, I'll write it down for you. It's like a French-Italian fusion-y thing.
Yes, I would eat that.
Hey, guys, you want to play a game? I know a really good one. Okay, first you get in here.
I like this.
And, count to 1,000.
Oh.
Excuse me. No.
Panda! Over here! Panda!
Huh?
Are you two ready to order?
Why don't you go first?
Oh, sure. Just give me a second.
Your meal, my good sir.
Whoa, what's under here?
I have your...
See? More fun. Delicious.
It had peanuts in it.
What happened?
Oh, man, it wasn't pretty. You had a major allergic reaction.
Oh, no.
Hey, we almost there?
Says that it's right here. Up, we passed it. Back up, back up.
There it is, I see it.
Boom.
Welcome to Burrito, gentlemen. What can I get for you today?
What can you tell me about this?
Ah, yes, our famous burrito challenge. Succeed in eating our whole array of burritos in 1 hour, and you'll get your photo up on our wall.
Oh, I'll do your precious challenge. And I'll do it in half an hour.
Start! First up, the fajita steak burrito.
Another!
Avocado pork wasabi. Veggie party. Bacon and egg. Crazy meat. Cilantro overload.
Foot!
Finished!
Wow, 15 minutes. That's a new record. But there's still one last burrito. Well, eat it.
No! It's too perfect to eat!
I will eat it.
Stay away. You stay away from burrito. Let's get out of here, guys. Huh? Selling terrible food to the fact that people like it.
It's a shame. Sometimes I just don't understand this world anymore.
Yeah, I guess some people just can't tell the difference between good food and... Where's your amazing food? Oh my gosh!
Ice Bear knows.
Let's start our own food truck! What? A paying customer. Here you go, friend. Enjoy! Woohoo! Oh!
What's going on?
Ah! Next! 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 Here you go, sir.
Come again.
Oh, man, totally own those other food trucks.
Hey, what are you guys doing? You're driving away all the customers.
Oh, no. Battery's dead. Ah!